Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share this super easy bun which is very appropriate with saris and lehenga for upcoming festive season. Now let's begin with the hairstyle. First I'm sectioning some hair from the front area and I'm keeping this aside. I'm taking some hair from the left section. Now for the other side, here I'm going to creating a puff like this way. Always pull some hair from your front area so that it looks voluminized and round, and I'm going to roll it like this and going to secure this with a bobby pin. And now I'm going to take all the hair and going to make a ponytail. Here I'm using a rubber band. You can use any sort of band you like. Make sure your ponytail is tight enough to hold all the flowers, and now I'm going to make a normal 3-strand braid. This hairstyle is something that suits every sort of hairstyle and every sort of hair length. If you have medium hair, you can go with this hairstyle. If you have short hair, also you can go with this hairstyle. If you have long hair, super long hair, then also you can go with this hairstyle, and it will look very beautiful with every sort of length. Make your braid till the end and secure it with a rubber band, and also don't forget to round up the end like this way. Now pull your braid for little volume and now make a bun like this way. And now I'm going to secure it with some U-pins. Remember one thing, when you are going to secure your bun, use some U-pins, and when you are going to secure your hair puff or something like that, you have to use some bobby pins. Now when your bun is tight enough, now it's time to place the leftover hair that we have on our left side. So for that, here I'm going to place it like this over the bun. ये बताना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, आप इसको देख के समझ जाओ। इसको आपको हेयर बन के ऊपर से बिल्कुल ऐसे रखना है so that it looks like a fall. Once you are done with placing your hair over the bun like this, just roll your hair one time and secure it with a bobby pin. Now hide the tail with a bobby pin like this way. You have to tuck all the hair in your bobby pin and roll it a couple of times and hide it under the main bun. Here our bun is completely ready. Now I'm going to add some flowers. Here I have chosen some rose. Now the easiest way to tuck flowers in your hair is take a U-pin, stuck it in the flower and place the U-pin on your hair. For the particular hairstyle, I'm going to place the flower on my right side so that the left side fall looks visibly clear. Always use odd numbers of flower like 1 or 3 or 5 or 7. So that's how my hairstyle ended. It looks like this. I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. Please share your opinion in the comment section and please do let me know what would you like to see next. So bye till my next video.